Learn these 7 tips to make breastfeeding easier on the go. Learn these 7 tips to make breastfeeding easier on the go. Hey, it's Morgan. Welcome to the Passable Parent channel. I've been a pediatric nurse for the past 10 years, specializing in early childhood development, and I'm also a mom. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Now, here's 7 tips to make breastfeeding easier on the go. Keep extra nursing pads in your diaper bag or purse. This helps in the event you start to have any leaking, so it doesn't come through your clothes. This is especially important in the beginning of your breastfeeding journey when your body is still regulating your milk production and supply. I really like the organic cotton pads because they are reusable and can go into your washing machine. They even come with a little bag to throw right into your washer. I'll make sure to link them and all the other items I'm talking about today in the description box below if you're interested. Invest in a good water bottle that keeps your water cold and take it with you everywhere, such as this one. You can't produce breast milk unless you are hydrated. Having a large, good water bottle always on hand helps your body meet these demands and helps increase breast milk production. Wear a cami or a tank top under your t-shirts and other shirts for quick and easy breast access while feeding when you're out. This way, when you lift your shirt to nurse, you don't have to expose your entire stomach. It's also really helpful if you're wearing a good clip-down nursing bra, such as this one. I'll make sure to link some of my favorite clip-down nursing bras down below in case you're interested and want to check them out. Until you gain confidence or if you feel more comfortable covering in public to nurse, pack a good nursing cover. I always keep one in my diaper bag. I really like the nursing covers from Milk Snob, and I also really like Copper Pearl. Always have a healthy snack handy for yourself so you are maintaining the calorie requirements you need to produce breast milk. I always keep a snack in my car, purse, or diaper bag. Remember, breastfeeding is normal and nothing to be ashamed of. Others can choose not to look, but your baby needs to eat. Breastfeeding in public is legal in all 50 states. There are protections in all states that exempt breastfeeding moms from indecent exposure and obscenity laws. If you are uncomfortable breastfeeding in public, here's another trick for you. Always turn away from the public when you're trying to latch. Choose comfy clothes and a bra with easy access to make breastfeeding in public easier. Remember that when you are breastfeeding in public, all others can see is a cute baby. Even if your baby is a distracted nurser, what others see is a cute baby. If you are interested in the shirt I'm wearing, I designed it to empower breastfeeding mothers. I know it can be uncomfortable to nurse in public, but it is your right and it is your baby's right. You can find this shirt and other breastfeeding empowerment shirts at PassableParent.com. Use your voice. No one can make you leave or nurse in a dirty bathroom stall. It is the law. Remember, I've got your back and the Passable Parent community also has your back. You are not alone. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for all my other videos coming soon on breastfeeding, pumping, and early childhood development. Hope to see you next time.